วยมากเลยรอบเลยครับ
Officials are expanding evacuation orders to include parts of Akita, Aomori, Fukui, Fukushima, Ishikawa, Iwate, Niigata, and Yamagata prefectures as of the afternoon of August 4 due to severe weather. Authorities have issued Level 5, highest level on a 5-tier scale, evacuation orders across Ishikawa and Niigata prefectures affecting more than 126,000 people. Level 4 evacuation orders are in place across Akita, Aomori, Fukui, Fukushima, Ishikawa, Iwate, Niigata, and Yamagata prefectures, affecting more than 324,000 people. Officials may issue additional evacuation orders if weather conditions persist or worsen. At least 92 homes have been damaged across Aomori, Akita, Fukushima, and Iwate prefectures. Floods, landslides, and lightning are forecast across northern Japan through at least August 5. A record amount of rainfall was recorded over Niigata and Yamagata prefectures late August 3 through early August 4. Forecast models indicate additional rainfall of 25 centimeters, 10 inches, in the Hokuriku region, 15 centimeters, 6 inches, in the Tokai region, 10 centimeters, 4 inches, in the Kanto, Koshin, and Tohoku regions, and 8 centimeters, 3 inches, in the Kinki region.